If you are looking for the best dive computer, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Cressi Leonardo Underwater Single Button Diving Computer. The Cressi Leonardo is a great computer for beginners, and you can wear it daily, unlike a Zoop. A single-button dive computer makes it effortless to set air, nitrox, and gauge modes. Ideal for beginners in scuba diving. It is easy to use and easy to read all the information due to the high-definition screen that gives large numerical displays. It is a completely modular, rugged computer with a wide UFDS display, which provides the proverbial ease of navigation and Cressi computer menus. It has complete nitrox management, depth gauge mode, and a reset option. Number 2. SHEARWATER Research Teric Wrist Dive Computer. Our next recommendation for you is the SHEARWATER Research Teric Wrist Dive Computer. Intuitive controls and menu navigation along with a bright, vivid color display. With a high degree of customization, the Teric brings divers a timepiece and dive computer of unprecedented capabilities. SHEARWATER is known for their exceptional tech diving computers, and now they have this beautiful watch style that everyone wants. Standard 22mm strap size compatible with many third-party watch brand providers. The Teric can connect with up to 2 transmitters. Number 3. SUUNTO D5 Scuba Diving Wrist Computer. The new SUUNTO D5 is designed to be so clear and easy to use that you can just enjoy and focus on exploring the wonderful underwater world. Play with style by changing the strap to match your looks. After diving, connect wirelessly to the SUUNTO app to relive and share your adventures with friends. When not diving, connect wirelessly to the SUUNTO app and receive notifications from the applications you use. SUUNTO D5 connects your 2 lives, the adventure under the surface but also the great experiences you can relive and share with your friends afterward. Number 4. Aqua Lung i450T Wristwatch Dive Computer. Designed for the active diver, this computer by the world's top dive gear manufacturer is one of the best on the market. It's great for lots of diving, as well as daily wear as a watch. There are a ton of great features and modes. Their patented gas time remaining algorithm provides calculations in real time, allowing accurate gas management. It features a north reference, return bearing lock, and declination adjustment. The multiple gas capability manages up to 3 nitrox mixes, each with individual PO2 set points. Number 5. Oceanic OCI Personal Wrist Dive Computer. It is our next recommendation for you. It is slightly cheaper than a SUUNTO D6i at around $650, and has a lot of great features, and looks good. Tech divers prefer it over SUUNTO a lot of the time. It features advanced digital compass with north, reference, auto home, and declination adjustment. Not only is the OCI powered by groundbreaking dual algorithm technology, but it can handle up to 4 gases, calculate nitrogen during a freediver, enable you to select between salt or fresh water, and it even automatically adjusts your altitude.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.